Hi guys, let's talk about 5 music production tips to instantly improve your beats. Number 1 on the list is use high quality sample because your beat will only sound as good as the sample you use. So make sure you invest on high quality sample. High quality sample. Number 2 on the list is focus on your drums. Now, the drums are the backbone of any beat. So spend time in making sure they sound great. If you can use compressor, EQ, and other effects to build your drum and make it punchy and powerful, it is very important. Number 3 on the list is keep your beats simple. Make sure you keep your beats very simple because sometimes less is more. Then the 4th one is use automation. Automation is very important to add varieties and feel to your beats. Use automation is very important. Then the last is learn from other music producers. Very vital.